everyone, it's Lana here from Winterfield Studios. I hope you're all having a fantastic day so far. I'm super excited to share with you this new planner scene sticker kit called An Amusing Day, which is a little bit of a play on words with an amusement park because it is a bit of a carnival themed kit. And this kit really came together with the idea from one of my peer girls who wanted a horse carousel for a kit. So what I thought I'd do is take it a little bit further and, replace the horses with unicorns because unicorns are super pretty with all of their glitter and coloring and everything like that. And then I also had a lot of requests in my VIP Facebook group for a carnival or a amusement park kit. So I thought, let's bring it all together, tie it together, and make this a really fun summer kit that, people can enjoy. So I want to share with you how I put it together in my planner. Of course, just one idea of, many that you can do in your own, and thought you might like it. So let's get started. So I always love starting my planner spread off by working on my header, and I usually start with foil because I absolutely love foil. You can never have too much in a kit. And that's really what I started with. So I used the Elegant Bougie boxes that are foiled. These ones are foiled in silver. I'm actually running low on the hollow foil. Oh, cry. So I have to order some more of that, but silver is also equally as beautiful. So I wanted to add that in there and start adding in my date covers. The date covers are a lot of fun with these ones because they have little ice cream cones on them. So I think they really tie well into the kit and the overall concept of it being an amusement park and bringing back all those memories from when I was a kid and my parents took me to K-Days here in Edmonton. I think it's called something different now, but I'm sure you all have equally as awesome memories as I had when I was a kid. One of the things I want to point out is even when you make a mistake, like you can see I did here, I was really struggling with getting these on straight, especially when it was upside down. You can easily just pull them off and plunk them back on there. So I don't really run into a lot of issues. Sometimes, the foil might come off a little bit, but overall, I like that flexibility so that if it's not quite working, you have the ability to remove it and add it back on to a spot that you think is going to work well. So these headers are probably my favorite headers that I've really ever done at the shop because they have a little bit of that kind of sky galaxy theme to them, but also being a daytime theme because usually you go to the carnival during the day and there's lots of sun and bright colors. So I hope you guys really like this one because I'm going to be definitely using these again in other kits in terms of when I'm doing my planner spreads. And then on top of that, again, more glitter. So I added in the foiled headers that I have in my shop. And these ones are in hollow foil because I'd already pre-foiled them. I guess I came prepared. So I'll have a mix of foil colors between the silver and the hollow. The next step was to add in the full boxes, because I find that it helps me visualize how I want that page design to come together. And when I was designing them, I just really have a thing for stripes. I think they're fun and whimsical, even though they're just geometric patterns, like it's nothing complicated, but it just brings a lot of joy. And especially when you have it in the soft pastel / bright colors of, pink and lime green, it really does add a nice touch. And of course, we've got to add on that washi strip. These are definitely a little bit larger than most washi strips, but why I like them large is because they really do add that scene to the bottom. And, it's just one sticker, easy, peel off, stick them in place, and you're kind of done. So after that, I wanted to make sure I had all the functionals in place because it has to actually be a useful planner spread rather than just something that looks really pretty. Otherwise, I'm not going to get any work done. So what is the point? So I usually like to normally add in some more foil to the kit, but because the colors were so bold and exciting, I thought, you know what? I think it's okay to just keep the foil simple. And yes, I did say that. Keep it simple with foil. Some of you are probably thinking, who is this person? This isn't the person I've been watching before. But sometimes you can go a little overboard. And so I thought, let's keep it easy. So I will be adding in the really pretty hollow foiled bows just to add a little bit of an accent to the half boxes, because I wanted to make the spread very, very fun and exciting. But as you can see, it didn't take me a lot of time to put it together. It was simple, easy, and lots of fun. And so this will be a really great, memorable week for me for sure. I hope you love it as much as I did. If you want to kind of get the inside scoop on what I'm working on and get some extra freebies and whatnot, join our VIP Facebook group and say hello on social media.